Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And our eyeshadow is not done right now because you already know I'm bringing you the Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. I was so super excited to hear about this collection. So if you want to go ahead and play with this palette with me, let's go ahead and get into it. So first and foremost, I have to thank my girl Glamazon1026 on here, aka Dwayna, for gifting me this palette. This is not my first time playing with this palette because I already gave you a look on Instagram. I could not wait. But this is what the palette looks like in case you haven't seen it. I'm going to try to do a colorful look because I haven't done a colorful look in a very long time. I actually did a neutral look yesterday, so let's go ahead and get into this color. So I'm going into Supreme. This is my second Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. The only other palette that I own is Subculture, and I do have a video on me using Subculture. Just so you know, this palette reminds me of the consistency of the other ABH palette, where you do have a lot of like kickback, but you also have tons and tons of pigment. So I'm just being very careful because obviously my face already done and we're not trying to mess it up. I think I might go into the color Pinker. She's giving me a maroon. I haven't done a colorful look in such a very long time. I've been sticking to my neutrals, and there has been a reason for that. About last year, you can definitely see a change or switch in my channel in which I really tried to do the whole makeup thing, and y'all obviously weren't feeling that because like most of my makeup videos got like 60 views or like 90 views. So I was like, and okay. But also I just realized that makeup is not my forte. Like I can make myself look good, but I'm not like a cut crease queen or anything like that. So I have just been sticking to my neutrals and really focusing on my skin and just making my skin look popping. And that has really been working for me as far as social media goes and just being recognized by different brands. So just this past year in 2019, I have gotten likes from Maybelline. I've gotten likes from Minted Cosmetics. I've gotten likes from Black Radiance. I got a repost from Black Radiance actually. It's just really been working for me to just keep it simple, focus on the skin. However, I'm trying to still make sure that I enjoy eyeshadow, because just because YouTube doesn't enjoy it doesn't mean that I don't have to enjoy it. You know, I can do things for me and not always do things for social media, if that makes any sense. And I may even go into edges. I used edges yesterday, so I know on me it picks up almost reddish pink. So I'm just gonna put that on the very outside of my crease. These shadows are super easy to work with. Again, I do get kickback in the pan, but I'm not getting any fallout on my face, and that is the most important. For our lid, what the heck, let's do Shookington on the lid. And then I might brighten it up a little bit just because I don't want it to be super dark. She's nice and pigmented too. I'm going to go over Shookington with Trust Issues. Okay, so I just went ahead and put Trust Issues on top of that purple color. Now I think I'm going to go and smoke this out a little bit with Big Wig. Okay, this is what we look like right now. Not too shabby, not too shabby. I feel like I need a glitter on my face though. Or maybe, let's see what Sponsor would look like on top of the color we already have. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put some lashes on, and then we can come back and finish off the face, okay? Okay, lashes are on, and it's only right that we finish off this look with another Jackie collaboration. So I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina Artist Couture La Peach and La Brush it on my La cheek. Next, I think I'm going to go into Dollars. Let's go into Dollars and pop that into the inner corner. Boom, like that. And that is our final look. When I tell y'all, this palette was so easy to work with. The color choices are spectacular, especially those shimmers, y'all. I'm very pleased with this palette. And again, shout out and congrats to Jackie Aina for this collaboration. Collaborating with ABH is huge. ABH is like literally a staple of the makeup community, so congrats to her. I will be playing with this palette and posting more looks on my Instagram at JaiChanellie, so make sure you're following me there. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video so that YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.